You are going to love the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.